That's my dad. He's going to visit Mr. Lang, his best friend from work, who invents all the new recipes for Happy Dog. Together they spend all day trying to work out what makes animals happy, and I think that makes them happy too. Mr. Lang loves nature. He told me that it's just as important for animals to eat food that is good for them as it is for me. Mr. Lang has his best ideas for new recipes in the outdoors. There are lots and lots of nutritions, so he has to make sure he uses just the right amount of each one. That's what Mrs. Stoffer calls the nutritional balance. She's a vet at Happy Dog. She says the recipes are so rich in variety that lots of people could follow their example. Farmer Egger knows the best farmer's sayings. He says people who eat healthy are healthy. That's why he takes great care of what he grows and doesn't let anyone tell him otherwise. Farmers are so cool. There's Elif. She works for Happy Dog too and really likes what they do. But she also likes what they don't do. No genetic modification or animal testing. Elif always used to think we were all country bumpkins. But now she's one too and thinks it's great and never wants to leave. That's Daddy's boss, Georg Müller. He's really proud of his team because they always do their best, and that's why our animals are so healthy. That makes him really happy because it means that he can pass on a lot to other people. For example, to people who aren't doing as well as we are. He just doesn't give up. He also had the idea of donating to the SOS Children's Villages in Central Africa. That's really important to him. Mrs. Müller makes sure that everyone gets along and the Müllers remain the Müllers. That means if you want to do something really well, you have to give it lots of love and attention, whether it's plants, people or animals. The Müllers have been doing this for hundreds of years. And that's why we are the home of healthy pet food.